Homeownership is possible, and Bay East can help make it happen. I'm Scott Hill, the 2019 chair of the Bay East Association of Realtors Housing Opportunities Committee. Our committee develops programs that enhance housing choices for everyone, regardless of their income. Working with the Bay East Association of Realtors Foundation, we've launched a first-time homebuyer closing cost grant program. This program helps low-income, first-time homebuyers pay closing costs when they purchase a home. Let's take a look at some of the requirements for this grant. Applicants must be a first-time homebuyer or have not owned a home within the last 3 years. The total household income cannot exceed 80% of the area median income. A recipient may receive the grant only one time. The home that the grant recipient is purchasing must be in either Alameda or Contra Costa counties. The maximum purchase price cannot exceed FHA mortgage lending limits for this area. The home must be occupied by the recipient and be their primary residence. If the property is a multi-unit, one of the units must be the recipient's primary residence. This program was made possible by a grant from the California Association of Realtors Housing Affordability Fund. If you want to help us keep the program going, you can make a donation to the Bay East Foundation. If you or someone you know may be eligible to receive a closing cost assistance grant, or if you want to make a donation to the Bay East Foundation, please visit our website at www.bayeast.org/foundation.